How's it going? This is Daniel Bussius again. In today's review, I'm going to review Office 365 and why I use it for my agency email. Now, let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Exchange email is a bit dated. They use an antiquated system based off of their editor, their text editor, which is Microsoft Word. And Microsoft is, in its own right, annoying. So let's not sugarcoat this. However, looking at the options that are out there, in my opinion, as a small business owner, Microsoft Office is the lesser of the evils, and they do have pretty darn good customer support when you have an issue with your email. So that's why I use it, and I am going to suggest that if you're looking for an email solution for your company or your business, that Office 365 is the option for now. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm logged in, and by the way, I use a MacBook Pro and I use Outlook. Not a perfect situation because they don't always play so well together, but again, I don't want to beat a dead horse here. We already know why. So I'm logged into Office 365 online, and if I go over here to the top left, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the admin panel. And then in the admin panel, this is the cool part. So this is basically the control center for my agency, for my team emails. I can set up group boxes, inboxes, and this is all included in the subscription. So I own a full service marketing agency. So you'll see here that I've got a group email that goes to client requests. So that's clients sending in requests to the agency. And then I have a team distribution list, so team at ITM Promos. So that's kind of cool. I can manage all of my settings right through here. It's pretty darn easy. I can get into admin centers like Exchange admin and stuff like that. And then I can go right into my billing, which is subscriptions, and I can update and add email accounts, inboxes, like all that kind of stuff. And I've got multiple ones for different people on my team. And so you can easily add and remove people right there. So I can click into things and I can change things, which is pretty slick. So that's why I'm a fan of Microsoft Outlook. So hopefully if you're looking for a solution, this may help you. But that's the best I got for you right now in regards to email.